Shinhebe, a creche beautiful, and a swearency. Já foi cara prima, o entejo filme, Diego, vai dizer. A gente tem parentes bem, Chichicano, sim, Chichu, Beijo, Sotonte, de Pio, Vano, they were no Kiraba. A gente Kiraba. Asiantonje, Genesiantonje, Ambrakichemit. Nanje, you won't
Which is the most persecuted religious group in the world today? The answer, in terms of sheer numbers and sheer horror, might surprise you. It's Christians, specifically Christians living in Muslim-majority countries, countries where Christians often preceded Muslims by centuries.